back to Bright Buddies 2020. Today we're going to do a science experiment. The experiment is bubble inside another bubble. You need a straw and a cup and some water and liquid soap with a full cap. So we just pour this little bit. There we go. Stop it. Take this. Let's pour it all in. Now we need to mix it. Take the straw, mix it. Okay, now we put the little cup and scoop it in. Like that, okay? And just dip it in. It again. Make sure the second balloon don't touch the big balloon, the first balloon. Okay, so I will release more and more experiments in the future videos. So I hope you like experiments. These experiments are easy that I will release. So bye guys, subscribe to my channel, click the like button and click share. Bye guys.